Hello, welcome to Book Culture. We are welcoming the principal, teachers, parents, and children of CP Goenka School Thane to the virtual tour of our very own bookstore, Book Culture. Book culture has been in the educational field for the past 4 years. It has raised a number of readers at a very early age. Our motto is to imbibe reading abilities into kids at a young age. Are your children into mobile phones too? We are the ones who will provide them with the right kind of ray. Today's children are prone to eye problems because of their use of mobile phones. We will provide them with books which will not only solve their eye problem but also help them improve their vocabulary and ideas forever. Our members are surprisingly getting away from the mobile phone and are getting engrossed into reading books. We have national, international, and ideal publications which are making children's experience memorable and joyful, which in turn is increasing their confidence and interest in reading. In this digital world, we are trying to create habit of reading, and it is creating magic among the society and its children. If you are a parent, you probably already know how essential it is to get a head start on your kids' reading abilities. Not only does early reading help develop better reading skills as your child continues to grow, but best of all, it teaches them healthy learning habits. It develops a motivation among children for a lifelong learning process, and it also strengthens the relationship between children and their parents. When a toddler reads, it's more of a foundation for later independent reading. At elementary level, it is quite difficult to fix reading problems. Well, it can be prevented by early exposure to reading during toddler and preschool years. Before a child starts reading independently, it is quite necessary to develop certain literacy skills, such as a large source of vocabulary, learning how to use words appropriately, and also learning about phonetic awareness. We have a number of books from many publications. You name it and we have it. Ladybird, Macmillan, Usborne, Scholastic, Pratham, Tulika, and many others. Take a look at this collection from Ladybird. It consists of 4 levels. The first level is tailor-made for kids. It has very less text and a number of pictures. It makes it interesting for kids. And as the kids upgrade to the higher levels, these books help them become independent readers by nourishing their reading ability. The I Book by Dr. Seuss. Hop on Pop by Dr. Seuss. Fox in Socks by Dr. Seuss. Oh, the Things You Can Think by Dr. Seuss. Alice in Wonderland by Usborne Publication. We also have encyclopedias, which help children gain knowledge. Encyclopedia is a reference tool which provides useful information on a wide range of topics. It helps children to improve their imagination power and also provides them with useful information. We have a number of encyclopedias on different topics. For example, animal life, water, nature, technology, etc. The main kind of encyclopedias which we have is that about time life, and we have all the books from this series. Geronimo Stilton is an Italian children's book series written by author Elisabetta Damo. It is intended for the children who belong to the 8 to 10-year-old range. It consists of about 250 books, and we have the entire entire collection here at Book Culture. Children from the 3rd and 4th standard go crazy over this collection. And believe me, once a child gets hold of any book from this collection, he's not keeping it down until he finishes reading it. So we have some books from the special edition of Geronimo Stilton's collection. Let me show you one. The Dragon of Fortune. Kids go mad over this collection. If you gift your kid one of these books, it's not going to be less than winning a lottery to him. Children even hold birthday parties of these themes. This is called the Golden Book. So most of the children love watching movies, especially Disney movies. We at Book Culture have a number of books on which these Disney movies are based. This is the Goosebumps collection at Book Culture. This is the Dogman collection at Book Culture. This is the Horrid Henry collection at Book Culture. This is the Rainbow collection at Book Culture. This is the whole collection at Book Culture. These are some other collections that we have at Book Culture. Captain Underpants, Beast Quest, Sudha Murthy, Nancy Drew, and Tinker. This is the entire Amar Chitrakatha collection. Take a look. This is the Enid Blyton collection. This is the Roald Dahl collection. This is the Ruskin Bond collection, and this is the Harry Potter collection. This is the Secret 7 collection, and this is the Famous 5 collection. This is the Tom Gates collection. This is the Dork Diaries collection. This is the Sochu 12 books box set. It is specially made for the children who belong to the 6 to 7 years range. Even if after 10 to 15 years, our little members would remember book culture and it would give them a priceless memory, or it would give them a moment of nostalgia, and we would have been a golden part of their childhood, we would consider that to be our success and also a blessing to us. As we all know, childhood is the best phase of our lives. By joining book culture, gift your children this treasure. They will cherish these moments for their entire life. Let your children experience this joyful moment and let their childhood sing with happiness. We are gifting this voucher worth Rs 500 to all the students from 1st to 4th standard of CP Goenka School, Thane. You can visit our store to avail these. The address is mentioned below, and you can further contact us on the number mentioned below. Book Culture is happy to announce that we are open for you on all 7 days from 10:30 am to 9 pm. You can visit us at 12 Swastik Residency Road, GB Road, Anand Nagar, Thane West, Thane, Maharashtra 400607. You can contact us on 7304 886600. Please enjoy your time resting with us.
I've been reading books for so long. I used to go on Google and I'm like, this book, okay. And in half of it, you never used to be there. This books, as mom said, it's a really different experience. Reading them instead of going digital and searching for them is actually quite different. So I love books and I love the book culture. And now the innovation, it's awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I am Ranveer Singh Chauhan. I love book culture and I love reading books.
I've been associated with this book culture since 1.5 years and my experience has been really good. There are varieties of books available. My kids are really happy and the younger one has started learning and loving reading. She has in fact learned after joining the book culture. Thank you.
Yeah, and we have a lovely proprietor here, Savita ji, and she will guide you through entire process when you come here, which book to select. Even if we choose a book which she feels it's not right for that age group, she will tell you and she helps you to select the right book. So, and she's very humble and very friendly. So all the best to her and her entire family who runs this place.
So it was then we did a site visit also, and the whole library was very old-fashioned and it was very crowded, and she had a brilliant idea of what she wanted to do. So it helped us a lot throughout the whole process. And
so when we visited the site for the first time, library was too crowded, and she came up with her aspirations of creating the space for the children, for the kids actually, and the space to be more of with colors, with lights, and to be more creative and attractive at the same time, and an eye-catchy library. So the process started eventually.
So the process was we basically started out with some rough ideas of how the libraries are and supposed to be for children. So what we initially thought was just to play with colors, and then with colors it also wanted to give some kind of a modern touch. So we introduced you can see crisscross elements. Then with crisscross we had curves. So to match the curves we bended those edges so it looks like a one piece other than just separate racks.
At the same time.
And then we did a paneling just to make it like a whole setup all together. And so basically the other idea also was to make it like a library come cafe, so something like a studio. So we made seatings for small children to come sit
inside the studio itself.
Yeah.
So they can just take a book, sit there, and they can read for some time. Also, if they want to change anything, any other book they want to read, they can sit there. Even the parents can wait here, sit for the children to read the books and select the books. So
and then again, so we made the library according to the book sizes. So if you can see here, you have shelves which are smaller in length, so that you can keep these are made only for small books like this. but whereas you can see the other shelves which are made for bigger books.
Nice. It is the books here are very good to read, and there are very variety of books here. And the English in these books are also nice for children around the age of 10th to 11, 12, 13. Like, it is great to read here. I would recommend you to read here.
It's been 3 years we have been associated with book culture. It's been an immense learning journey for my daughter. She just doesn't want to give up reading books, and Savita ma'am has been a very supportive regarding this aspect. So I think we are going to go on with this and all.
After so many months, lovely collection you have, and after creating the book library, it is looking all the more awesome. And my daughter just loves your books. So keep bringing new books, and she's loving it. Thank you.
Hello, actually I've been a member of Book Culture since it started in Tropical Lagoon, and they have a really nice collection of books for kids of all ages, from pre-primary till teenagers, and the variety is very good, and I'm very happy because both my kids enjoy the books that we get from here, and the staff is very helpful, and they have started the delivery system, because of which even during lockdown we could continue with it. So it's really nice. I urge all parents to go for it. It's the best.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज अनुराधा फ्रॉम बागबिल नाका, और मेरा बेटा आरुल अम्बोले यहाँ लाइब्रेरी में आता है, और उसके साथ साथ विहान, उसका फ्रेंड, हमारे ही बिल्डिंग में रहता है, उसने भी ये लाइब्रेरी लगाई है. 1.5-2 महीने से इस लाइब्रेरी का रेनोवेशन चल रहा था, एंड इट्स टर्न्ड आउट रियली वेल. यू ऑल शुड कम एंड विजिट. दे हैव गॉट अ सुपर्ब कलेक्शन फॉर किड्स, एंड माय किड सेज कि दिस लाइब्रेरी डिजर्व्स फुल मार्क्स. एंड वन ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड सेज कि मेरा वोकेबलरी अच्छा हुआ है लाइब्रेरी लगाने की वजह से. एंड इट्स इन स्वस्तिक रेसिडेंसी नियर बिफोर न्यू होराइजन स्कूल. सो यू शुड ऑल रियली वॉच दिस लाइब्रेरी एंड कम एंड अपने बच्चों को यहाँ पे पक्का रजिस्टर कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
I have a 4.5-year kid, and I am part of book culture for now more than a year now. And now they have this lovely new shop which is like really amazing. And you know, shop se zyada the collection here is awesome. The service is very good, and I think हर बच्चे को पढ़ना बहुत 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 ज़रूरी है. वो अपने आप फोनिक्स पिक करते हैं, you know, words पिक करते हैं, तो it's just a boon, I can say, कि मेरे जिस घर के नीचे मुझे यहाँ इतनी अच्छी सुविधा मिली है. और they also provide books at home, so in case you are somewhere far away from the shop, it's also not a worry. आपको घर पे भी बुक्स डिलीवर हो जाएंगी, और लिस्ट भी है कौन सी क्या बुक. सो इट्स इट्स अ रियली अमेजिंग थिंग, एंड इट्स boon for every kid and every parent. You can keep children engaged, and the variety here is awesome. बहुत varieties है for every group, for every age group of children. So I think everyone should come here once and at least have a look. अगर आपको enroll भी नहीं करना है यहाँ पे, तो भी you should come and have a look. Reading is always good for any age, और books adults के लिए भी हैं. So in case you want to take 5 books for your kids, you can take 1 for yourself also. So आप भी engaged रह सकते हैं, कुछ न कुछ पढ़ने को मिल सकता है. It's great.
Reading is not only a meaning-making transaction between the author and the reader. It is a magic-making experience, and sharing this magic with children is one of the greatest gifts. Book culture always gives this magical experience to their members. Be a part of it. Learning to read opens different worlds to children. Fantasy, mystery, funny, history, but it can also help them understand the things around them in everyday life that maybe they never thought of noticing before. Beginning is always today. Get your child's library card today itself.
Library is one of the most important part of our society. It is the best gift parents can give to their children. Some magical things are happening here at Book Culture. Contact us on 7304 886600. We are back with a collection of new books and a whole new library theme. We have arranged our books in a way that it will be more attractive to kids. We invite you to visit us and explore the world of books.